Hello and welcome to this grand series by Asia One Magazine and URS Media, known as Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia, Middle East, Africa 2021. This very special series aims to showcase the awe-inspiring success stories of the most prominent brands and leaders from across the world who have immensely contributed to the growth of the world economy. The main aim of Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders Asia, Middle East, Africa series is to highlight the key drivers, the actual drivers of Asia, Middle East and Africa's economic engine. In fact, these brands and leaders have been playing a significant role in shaping the economy of Asia and the rest of the world. Continuing with the success stories, the next titles we are moving on to are Asia One Youth Icon of the Year and Global Leader of the Year 2020-2021. And the leaders and the brands being awarded in these categories are Ashish Khandelwal, Managing Director BL Agro Industries Limited as Asia One Global Youth Icon of the Year 2020-2021.
During my growing up years, I had seen how my father built the business from scratch and took it to great heights. His journey has always inspired me. At the same time, it was a challenge to expand further and take our company to the next level. In 2017, we decided to diversify and add food portfolio to the existing oil business. The food products under the brand name Nourish received immediate acceptance in the market. To support this, we established top-of-the-line production capability that includes procuring finest machinery from all over the world. At BL Agro, the company's vision is to make the product a way of life for the consumer across India. To realize this long-term vision, we have aggressively building a very robust distribution network. As I speak, our team is working across India and our distribution network is growing day by day. Also, for the couple of years, we have invested heavily into advertising and promotion of both our brands Nourish and Belcolu. Similarly, to make our promotion more effective, we have engaged with celebrity brand ambassadors like Shilpa Shetty for Nourish and Manoj Vajpayee, Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Pankaj Tripathi for Belcolu. I believe that innovation is the key to establish your distinguished identity. Our innovative strategy includes moving from semi-automatic to fully automated packaging plant, which is possibly the best in the country in our industry. A lot of exclusive brand stores are being opened, and we are also developing a very dynamic e-commerce portal by the name of Nourish Store that will take a brand to each and every household.
These were the awe-inspiring success sagas of the most prominent, greatest brands and leaders of Asia, Middle East, Africa 2021. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed hosting it. That's it for now. Goodbye.